Hi, and welcome to the 8th part of these tutorials. On this part, we are going to talk about constants in C#. Constant refers to a fixed value that the application cannot change during its execution. The constants are treated just like regular variables, except that their values cannot be modified after their definition. For example, when calculating the area of a circle, we need to know the value of the constant pi, which is a double data type with a value around 3.14. So, in our application we would write double pi is equal to 3.14159. If we keep it this way, the application will run fine, but the problem is that we might change it later by mistake. And this is why we need constants, to prevent the change of variables that need to remain unchangeable. To make sure that the value cannot be changed later, we simply add the const keyword in front of this declaration, and now it would look like this. Const double pi is equal to 3.14159. The radius needed to calculate the area is not constant because it changes based on the circle diameter. So for that we can just write double r is equal to 5. If we want to calculate the area of a circle with radius 5, we'll write double area is equal to pi times r times r. Let us show the data to the user by writing console.writeLine area dash a placeholder for area. This video was sponsored by Template Monster. Template Monster is a pioneer of what is called the full cycle website templates business model, which means that they have the in-house team of developers, designers, QA, and support team. They have recently launched their new Elementor Themes Marketplace, and if you want to learn more, click the link on the description section. So guys, this is all for this part. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.